Hey there, it's Aaron Crowther with the Joe Taylor Group. Today we're out here at 4414 Rubious in the Northwest in the brand new Valley Vista Community. Come inside, let's take a look. Come on in, I'm going to show you the house. So right off the bat, we get our first two bedrooms with the semi-Jack and Jill. Perfect for the kids. Over here is actually one of my favorite features of the home. A lot of times you have a guest bedroom, but the guests got to share with the whole family on the bathroom. One beautiful thing about this model is you get a large guest bedroom with its own private bath. Right here, we have the large living space, perfect for family gatherings or having friends over for Friday night. Come in here, we have the chef's dream kitchen, beautiful upgraded countertops and backsplashes, wonderful white cabinets, and one of my favorite features here, large breakfast nook that's a little separate from everything else to have that nice private dinner. Coming over here, we have the master bedroom. As you can see, spacious for all your master furniture and whatever you need. One thing I'll point out right here, for this bathroom, we have a purse closet and a hers closet. Separate shower, separate tub, beautiful lighting, dual sinks. All right, so check it out in the back. So as you can see, we have brand new landscaping, turf just installed within the last week. Over here, we have a beautiful fire pit for those late night gatherings with friends and family. RV parking to fit whatever toys you and your family decide to bring. And a large shed for storage that stays with the property. Okay, so if you like what you see, my name's Aaron Crowther. Please give me a call at 702-885-2239 or send me an email at aaron@joetaylorgroup.com.